Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on our watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset, and first thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. For some reason the notification panel opened. Let me close it and press and hold the menu button again. Okay, once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the option called the watch settings. Once you find it, tap on the option. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Now, find the option called the reset. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you have different options like reset default settings, delete all activities, reset totals. But we are interested in this option, delete data and reset settings. Basically, remove everything from our watch. Once you find it, tap on it. And then confirm the operation by pressing the start button. And now wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.